Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices, update the Aura head unit and your phone, then connect. Plug a known good USB-C cable into the Aura port or initiate wireless pairing if the car supports it. Once done, unlock your phone and accept Android Auto prompts. Grant access to notifications, location, and contacts so apps function. You do this now to avoid repeated permission dialogues and to let the head unit download vehicle-specific profiles in the background for optimal app layout. You configure app behavior and audio next so the system behaves predictably. Open Android Auto settings on your phone and pick default navigation and media apps. This ensures maps open automatically when directions start. Then set audio routing, choose USB, Bluetooth, or car speakers so media plays through the right channel. Once configured, customize home screen shortcuts and enable driving do not disturb. These small steps reduce distraction and make the interface faster to use while driving. You finish by validating core functions and handling common failures. Test a voice command, start navigation, play a song, and place a call to confirm microphone and speaker routing. If the connection drops or apps lag, reboot both your phone and the Aura head unit, then reconnect. If problems persist, clear Android Auto app cache, repair the devices, and confirm firmware versions. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping to a high-quality cable often fixes intermittent USB problems. Try that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.